What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a Traders Lab breakdown of pound Swiss franc on the Forex market, and I'm gonna show you that how this one turned out to be a net loss after a period of adding 3 or 4 positions. You're gonna see this in the video. I'm gonna be sharing my screen as well, but it turned out to be a winner on this one in the beginning of the trade, and then price or the market turned around against me, and I think I netted it ended up for a net loss. So I'm gonna go over the results and show you the setup. So let's talk about the setup. That signaled an entry for me. You can see some people may call that a breakout signal or a breakout short. So I anticipated this market to continue its short, or it's even though I had an exposure of 4 positions, I still kept my risk very small, and so losing this trade didn't really affect my mental capital. It didn't affect my overall performance. It's just another trade to look past, because let's see what happens with this market later. So I got out. I was clean out of position here, so let me just delete these guys.